and today I'm going to be making a helicopter. As you guys know, in my last video, I can make loads of special effects. Let me just name this. Because let's just say things are about to get crazy. Now I know you guys, before you judge, Abdullah, what on earth is that? How is that a helicopter? Yeah. Don't judge. It's a helicopter, and it will get you to the end. I'll show you guys how to build this after I get to the end and prove that this actually helps you. There. Bada bang. Bada boom. Just add some of that. There you go. Now I have a freaking helicopter. Boy. And then you can make it all the way to the end with your brand new helicopter, which apparently doesn't break. Wait. Look. I'm about to go in a tornado. Did you guys see that? I'm going to name this video how to make an unbreakable helicopter. Or getting to the end with an Oh. Okay, and then as soon as you guys got the treasure, you click your butter blocks. Wait, hold up. The treasure did not look like that. There's a new update to the game. The treasure did not look like that. It was like green. Got that money. I'm legit. Wait. They added these. I could get a camera. Oh, I'm still buying this. Oof, guys. Now I can spy on people. What else did they add? Nothing? You guys are supposed to play. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to build this. You guys place down one of these butter blocks. Here. And then on top of it, you place down some concrete, like 5 blocks up. And then from each side, you have to make it 5 blocks wide until it looks like that. Then place down a half block like this. Now guys, you need to jump very high to do this, which for me isn't a big problem because I have a jetpack. And then, as soon as you also have to place a hinge facing up. And then once you do that, you place 2 butter blocks on yourself and a concrete block right here, so that it glitches with the top block. And then you're all set. You're all good. You're all good to go. And you can delete the butter block at the bottom. And then let me let something hit me because I want to spin. Oh, these are cannons. Wait. By the way, guys, this is an unbreakable helicopter. And then you click on the butter block as soon as you're at the bottom. And bam, you got the treasure. Yep. And basically that's the end of today's video. See you all next time.